In the Nuke 11.0 release, we're continuing to work on improving performance and efficiency while updating Nuke to the latest industry standards. We're also introducing a new workflow for collaboration.
Collaboration between artists is more important than ever. We are introducing a new way of collaboration with live groups. Live groups allow you to create external scripts that can be referenced into other scripts. This way, artists can work on the same shot at the same time. For example, in the background, midground, foreground of a shot between 3 different artists. They can even change parameters and propagate those through different shots.
Nuke 11.0 also includes updates to improve efficiency for artists using Nuke. First up, we've added Nuke Studio's intelligent background rendering capabilities to Nuke and NukeX. With the frame server, you can take advantage of any resources available on your local machine to render in the background. This means you can continue working while you're rendering to help you work faster and more efficiently. Nuke's denoise node has several upgrades, including the addition of temporal processing, which lets you reference nearby frames to produce a better denoise result without losing the details. In NukeX, the Lens Distortion node is getting a complete overhaul and is now GPU accelerated. We've also added support for fisheye and wide-angle lenses. Lens Distortion also gains the ability to reference multiple frames, improving accuracy. We've also improved import of distortion data from other packages. We've continued to improve the powerful Smart Vector toolset, which we introduced in Nuke 10. In this release, the Smart Vector node gains the ability to generate vectors on a render farm or in the background using the new frame server capabilities, dramatically speeding up vector generation. There is also a new blur knob on the Vector Distort node, letting you blur out any tiny distortions and making the warp more accurate over a longer range of frames. Nuke now ships with updated particle presets and additional nodal toolsets for common tasks like keying and projections. These are designed for artists new to Nuke and will come with sample footage and tutorials to help new artists get up and running fast.
We know artists are pushing Nuke Studio into more complex projects and needs. So we are introducing 2 new features to deal with it. The first one is the ability to make more complex timelines by importing AAFs with non-linear retimes. So now we apply a time warp soft effect into your clips, making your online process a little bit faster. We are also introducing Timeline Disk Caching, which allows you to create a fast GPU render into a single EXR sequence that can be played back in real time. This will help you out when you're doing very complex timelines, like having a lot of tracks and a lot of soft effects, and Timeline Disk Caching will also help when you're doing review. In the cases where you don't have space or you don't want to localize your whole footage, you can use Timeline Disk Caching to generate those renders to do playback for the sections that you need to review.
Nuke 11 is fully compliant with the requirements set out by the VFX Reference Platform for 2017. This is a set of tool and library versions that are to be used as a common platform for building software for the VFX industry. And its purpose is to minimize incompatibilities between different software packages. This is a broad and significant update. In addition to updating core components such as C++ and Qt, we have also upgraded various third-party libraries and also camera format SDKs for ARRI and RED. We're happy to say that Nuke 11 supports the latest versions of the major operating systems. So on Linux, that's CentOS 6 and 7, Windows 7 and 10, and on Mac, that's El Capitan and Sierra. Until now, Nuke has supported OpenCL on macOS only. Nuke 11 sees that extended to support both Linux and Windows and gives users the opportunity to take advantage of certain AMD GPUs. Foundry's Media Production Group is committed to standards such as VFX Reference Platform, which will see better integration of our products.
We have been working with HP to make sure you can run Nuke Studio in the best system possible, so you can work in more complex projects at a higher frame rate and a higher resolutions. We are introducing the new certified system based on the new HP Z840 and the P6000 video card, so you can work and have the performance you're looking for.
We're really excited to share this release with everyone. With the update to VFX Platform 2017, Nuke 11.0 is the solid base for future updates and is now easier to integrate into your pipelines than ever before.